Hi guys, welcome. I am sorry about my nails. I still haven't done them. I've been messing around with stuff and I've been cleaning and yeah, so they're all like messy and stuff like that. But as you could tell, yeah. So I had an idea, decided to put in a binder, since it's a double binder, my mixes that I've done and the mixes that I've done with the girls, besides the mixes that I already have in my organizer. Sorry about that. They started falling off. I gotta somehow keep them in there intact. So yeah, my first mix is called Valentine Days, and this was in a swap that I did with Tiffany and Lisa. That was my Valentine's Day glitter mix. Then on the back I have another Valentine's Day. It's called Sweet Valentine mix. Then I will do Winter Shim. Then is Little Mermaid. Then I'm gonna flip it. Is Heavenly Notes. Little Mermaid on a seashell, with has crushed seashells, and I don't know if I put sand on this one, but I did on some of them. This was a group swap that I just entered for Rosalinda Martinez, and I did 3 different mixes, which is Pinky Butterfly. Then this one is Blue Baby Butterfly, and then the white and black one is White Black Butterfly. Those are the ones that I just finished doing with her. Then I have Cool Breeze, which is mine. Then I did a Tinkerbell Friend, which is Fawn, from Sincerely Cece's swap that I just entered. This was my mix that I sent to her. And then she also had another swap called let me see, Marvel and DC comic villains, something like that. But mine is not a villain. Mine is a princess. It's called She-Ra, Princess of Power, which is from the Masters of Universe TV show when I was growing up in the 80s. And she was my favorite. She was, I think, He-Man's girlfriend, and she had a twin brother. Yeah. So then I'm gonna go to the swaps that I did with the girls. This is Be My Valentine Bouquet, and it glows, by Tiffany. Then this is some nail art that she sent. More nail art, more nail art, more nail art, more nail art. And then I have Lisa's, which she sent 2 mixes, and it was Gold Stars by Lisa and then Love by Lisa. Then our nail art and more nail art. I'm gonna turn it so you can see her Golden Star, is it? Yeah, Gold Stars mix. And then what Tiffany had sent me for nail art, and then Lisa's other nail art in the back. So I did them double. So this is an idea that I had, since I do coupon and I'm an extreme couponer. I got some of these in like pocket inserts things to put the coupon. So I said, oh, why not just grab a couple, divide it, grab another binder that I had. It's kind of a little bit messy, but it's gonna get all glittery and stuff like that. So I'm not even gonna worry about it, since I'm not going to use it for coupons. I decided to do this little crafty, just to have, it's like my own pocket letter, memories of you guys. Every time I do a swap, I am waiting for a couple of swaps in the mail, and I should be getting some today, so hopefully I'll be able to do a video, and then I'll put some on here so you guys could see more or less. But this is like a little idea that, you know, I just came up across with, and I just loved it, just so I could have memories of you guys. And I do have, since they did send quite a bit of mixes, I did put some already in acrylic with acrylic and in a little tube, like a little, let me see if I can find it. It does have acrylics already in it, and I did put their names of the mixes and the girls that did them. So yeah, I hope you guys like my little idea, and I hope you guys do end up doing the same or something similar to it, just so I could see, you know, your ideas and stuff like that. But I thought this was so like brilliant of me to try to, you know what I'm saying, I just want to have memories of all my swaps and stuff like that. And since I don't really use a lot of nail art on my own nails, and since I'm not a professional just yet, I'm digging on it to try to find a school to see if I could go in to become a tech. So I haven't used, like you see, none of the stuff just yet, but I will be. So I hope you guys like, share, subscribe, and comment. And if you have any ideas that maybe I could do, or you guys, you know what I'm saying, did your own one to have memories and stuff like that, please share. I would love to see your videos and your comments and what you think of my little idea. So yeah, thank you guys. Bye. Thanks for watching.